Hello, this is David with Intel at Google Cloud Next, and we are excited to share Intel's innovations with Intel hardware and software optimizations. Here we have C4 instances running on Intel Xeon 6 in preview and running Intel Scalable Vector Search. So why showcase Vector Search? Well, if you're implementing a chatbot or LLMs and are using unstructured data, you're going to want to implement Vector Search. So what we're showing here is if you use Intel SVS, you're going to get a huge uplift in performance on your Google Cloud instance. So here we're showcasing an open source library, HNSW-lib, compared to Intel SVS. So if you say you have a website and then you have a jump of chatbot requests, people are asking questions, you'll see a spike in latency, and actually HNSW-lib performs a lot higher in latency. So if there's actually a jump in concurrent search requests, you're going to see that impact in your chatbot response time. So as you notice, as we hit 20,000 search requests, the latency goes above 2-3 seconds. So let's enter a prompt. So say if customer service, they're looking for a certain software, Intel SVS already retrieved it back to the Gemini LLM, and then we're waiting on HNSW to respond. So another example is with competition. So if we look at competitive instances, both are running Intel SVS. So we offer a community version that works on all platforms of x86, but Intel hardware will take advantage of the proprietary vector compression called LeanVec. So here we'll do the same thing. If there's a jump in concurrent requests, you'll notice that the AMD instance will start to backlog. Actually, in fact, the performance difference in the latency is over 10 times, and that's due to the vector compression that we have on Intel instances. Also the memory bandwidth. So we offer our C4 instances with Intel Xeon 6 offer more memory bandwidth, equating to over 10x in performance. So let's search a request here, and you can see as the response is a lot quicker on the Intel instance, and we have to wait for the AMD to resolve the instances. So if you're implementing any type of RAG and you're using vector search, look into using an Intel instance, so C4 instance, with Intel SVS. Thank you for your time.